Hi guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. And today is a special day because we are celebrating their dad's birthday. Yay! So guys, kung pansin nyo ay nagsasalita ako pero naka-voice over ako kasi napaka-loud ng music sa loob ng truck. So kasama kasi namin yung in-law ko, yung father-in-law ko. So mahilig siya mag-music sa loob ng truck. So minute ko na lang yung music background para hindi po ako makopyright. Kaya ayan, naka-voice over. So medyo malayo-layo yung pupuntahan namin guys na buffet. Nasa loob siya ng casino. 45 minutes away siya from our place. So nagbabakasyon yung father-in-law ko guys sa amin. Nag-drive siya from New York to Utah. Kaya kasama namin siya ngayon sa aming mga pasyalan. So we're here, Casablanca Casino. We're going in. Oh no, you go first to play, right?
Yeah, play a little bit
We're
first.
staying outside. You wanna go see the gazebo and the water fountain?
You guys are gonna go look at the water fountain? You go.
There's si Papi, ang daddy niya. You hungry? It's gonna open 2 o'clock.
It opens at 2.
So, andito na kami guys. Papasok na kami. Pero 2 o'clock pa mag-open. Lalaro. Maglalaro sila. Kami maglalakad-lakad muna kasi bawal ang mga bata dito guys. Sa casino. So ito guys yung buffet. Mesa buffet. So konti pa lang yung pila guys. Nauna na kami dito habang yung in-law ko at saka si George naglalaro pa. Papunta na rin sila dito. So ito yung menu nila guys. So gutom na ako guys. Nagkape lang ako kanina breakfast. Hindi ako kumain talaga. Nagkape lang ako tsaka banana. Yun lang. Pasok na kami. So yung daddy niya ang magtitreat. Oh my God, gutom na ako guys. Grabe. So nanalo daw si George guys ng $130 doon sa nilaro niya doon sa casino. Thank you. Ito na yung seat namin. So ito na yung mga foods guys. Kukuha muna ako ng mga foods na mga para sa mga kambal. Ito yung prime rib nila. Ito yung special thing nila for the night, for the weekend. Oh wow. I'll go in the other side, yeah. So mauuna muna ang kambal. So tingnan nyo guys. Crab legs. Meron din sila mga drinks. Dito wine. Desserts, cakes. Ito naman dito guys ay mga fruits. Tsaka mga salad. Dressings.
Good. Keep eating.
ice cream machine sa buffet na ito. Oops! You sing happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy George. Yay! 51 in the making. Thank you. So tapos na kami guys kumain. Punta kami dito sa gazebo. Magpapa-picture kami dito. Ang ganda dito guys sa labas. Oh. Meron silang water falls. So meron doon gazebo guys. Magpa-family picture muna kami. It's nice. Ayun yung gazebo guys. So ito yung gazebo. Ang ganda. Let's take a picture na. So, pauwi na kami guys. Papunta na kami ng truck. Balik na kami ng Utah. Hi guys, so andito kami ngayon sa Kolob Reservoir. Ayan, tulog yung kambal. So, pumunta kami dito kinabukasan pagkatapos ng birthday ng asawa ko. At ipinasyal namin yung father-in-law ko guys kasi he's on vacation. So ito yung Kolob Reservoir. So isa siyang lake. So may mga nagka-camping, fishing at kayaking. And actually next month we are gonna come back here because we are going to see the fall foliage or the color changing leaves. So dito talaga kami pumupunta every year guys. So this is you call Lava Point.
This is Lava Point, yeah.
That's all the rocks.
I'm looking around and I can really see.
So nag-stop din kami dito guys after namin doon sa Kolob Reservoir para tumingin ng view. At ito ay part ng Zion National Park. So makikita namin from here. At yan yung Lava Point overlook.
Forest Service. This is all Zion right here. The Forest Service.
Yeah, that was it. So nag-i-start na mag-changing color leaf. Dito guys, nag-change na yung color ng leaf. There's red, yellow. Ganda dito. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
So ito may beige of the plateau.
Look how many.
This one, yeah, this one's half turned. ones too.
Oh my god, I have a
Oh, this is another one here.
Yeah.
That's another one that's in the middle of
Give it
changing.
to me. No.
Give one to Yana so she has one that's half changed.
So, tapos na kami doon, guys. We're now here at the town. We're looking for a gift shop kasi yung father-in-law ko gustong bumili ng souvenirs para dalhin niya pag uwi niya sa New York. So, ito guys, meron kami nakitang gift shops dito, guys. May Springdale.
There's one year
So, naghanap kami dito ng jacket daw with hood.
It's gonna work, Pat. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, Pat.
I can do it.
You can? It doesn't look so good.
Don't use that other hand.
Yeah.
It says,
There you go, Pat.
You got it? Let me
Thank
see.
you, Pat. Thank you, Poppy.
Let me see. Let me see.
I got this
Oh,
one.
like this. Which one?
This one.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Souvenir, Zion National Park. Yep.